Let's go and see how we enter data onto our worksheet. So we first have to click on the cell that we want to enter the information in. So we can click on a cell and enter in text or numbers. Let's say here, as we did in our previous example, I put in the text words, number of students for the month of October, and this will be the title on my spreadsheet. Now I can also make this, I can select the row where the text appears, and I can go ahead and make it bold. I can go ahead and I can change the I can also go ahead and change the font that I want. And keep in mind that the cell has a particular type of here I chose just a funny script, not necessarily too legible, but you can get the idea of changing a font. But keep in mind that the font, the rows have a certain height, and if we're going to put large text, we would have to change the height of our row. The way to do that is to either, if we're only doing one individual row, we can go ahead and click on, if we put our cursor over the line in between the two rows, we see that it turns into an arrow, and we can actually just drag it down, and that's only increasing the row on top that is selected. So now we have a nice big fat row, and now I can go ahead and change my text to, let's say, a larger size, let's say a 36 font, and we can see that it gets much bigger, but it still fits in the row. It's a little bit cut off. I might want to either increase my row a little bit more. There, now it seems to be pretty centered, and that's the way we increase the size of the row. So this could be like a title on my spreadsheet. It's a little bit big, it might run off the page, but that's how we manipulate the sizes of the rows when entering text or numbers for that matter.